Welcome friends. Let us continue to study about the engineering scale and particularly about the diagonal scale on my YouTube channel. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In today's lecture, we are going to study about the problem solution on diagonal scale. Construct a diagonal scale. RF is equals to 1 divided by 36, showing yard, foot and inch. It means one thing is they have given us RF directly, and second thing is here they have utilized the British system of unit. Clear? Scale should be long enough to measure up to 5 yard. So here it is the maximum dimension to be measured is 5 yard, and once the diagonal scale is constructed, then we have to indicate 3 yard, 2 feet and 9 inches on that diagonal scale. Now let us start. First step is RF, which they have already given us. So RF is the representative factor, and they have already given us the value 1 by 36, so we are not required to calculate it. Next one is the length of scale. So length of scale equation is RF multiplied by maximum dimension to be measured. RF is 1 divided by 36. Maximum dimension to be measured is 5 yards. Now as we have discussed, we have to convert or we have to get the answer of LOS, that is the length of scale, in which unit, whether it is centimeter or inch. Yes, you are right. Here we have to get the answer of LOS in inch, because in the numerical the units given are the British system or British units. So we have to convert the 5 yard into the inches, and for that we have to remember the relationship between yard and inch. So let us see the unit conversion for the British. 1 yard is equals to 3 feet and 1 foot is equals to 12 inch. That we are going to use it. So it is 5 yard multiplied by 3 that we have converted into feet, and then multiply by 12 that we have converted into the inch. Then we have to do the mathematical simplification, and what we are going to get the answer 5 inch. So the length of scale is 5 inch. So what we have to do? Yes, same as the plane scale, we have to draw the line equivalent to 5 inch length. So we have drawn the line equivalent to 5 inch. Now whatever may be the dimension of this length, now this line indicates how much distance. This line indicates the 5 yard distance. So if I will divide this line into two divisions, one division will show us how much distance, that is 2.5 yard. If I will divide this line into 5 divisions, one division will represent how much distance, that is 1 yard. So it is easy for us. So we are going to divide this line into the 5 divisions. So we have divided this line into the 5 divisions and started giving numbering. On the left hand side, first division, we are not going to give any number, and then we have to start with the 0. Then this distance is 1 yard, so we have written 1. Then this is 2, that is 3, and this is 4, and this is the yard. So on the right hand side of the scale, yard is there. Then this distance is again 1 yard. Now let us see the numerical. What is the unit they have given? Yard and foot. So what is the relationship between yard and foot, if you remember? So 1 yard is equals to 3 feet. So we have to divide this division into 3 divisions only. Is it clear? Because we have got the relationship that 1 yard is equals to 3 feet, and this distance is 1 yard. And if we will divide this distance into 3 divisions, then one division will show us 1 foot, second division will show us second foot, and third division will show us 3 feet. So it is 1 feet, 2 feet and 3 feet, that is equals to 1 yard. So it is on the left hand side, it is a feet. So now we have got this thing. Now as it is a diagonal scale, we have to represent the another unit also, and which is the inch. And to represent the third unit inch, we have to draw some line. What line we have to draw, and at what place? Yes, we have to draw a vertical line from the left hand side last division. So we have drawn a vertical line. Clear? And this length of this line should be arbitrary. So you can draw the line of any length. Then we have to complete the rectangle and we have to draw the vertical lines from each divisions also. Clear? And this vertical length shows us the yard. So here we can, sorry, inch. So that is nothing but the inch. Now again we have to find out what is the relationship between feet and inch, or you can say foot and inch. Again we have to recall that table. 1 foot is equals to how much inch? Yes, you are right. 1 foot is equals to 12 inch. So we have to divide this vertical line into 12 divisions. Is it clear? Yeah, so we are going to divide this line into 12 divisions. And then we have to draw the horizontal lines from each divisions. Now we have to draw the 3 divisions on the top of that line also. Here we have given the 3 division on the bottom. Here we are going to draw the 3 division on the top also. Now we have to draw inclined line. Please remember, 0th division from bottom and first division from top. And then we have to draw a inclined line. Next is first division from bottom, second division from top. And it will be the parallel to the previous inclined line. And similarly, second division from the bottom and the corner. There is the third division at the top. And this is nothing but the diagonal scale. And we have to write down here RF is equals to 1:36 diagonal scale for yard, feet and inch. Now the last. Indicate 3 yard, 2 feet and 9 inches on the scale. So first of all, 3 yard. Which 3 we have to select, whether it is in blue or whether it is in red. So here it is in red. Clear? That is a yard. That is a 3 yard. 2 feet. Which one we have to select, whether it is in a red or whether it is in a blue. Here red indicates the feet and blue indicates the inch. So as it is a feet, we have to select the second division in the red. So I am going to select the second division. Now 9 inches. For 9 inches we have to select the divisions in the blue color font. So I am going to select the 9th division or 9th division on an inch scale. Now at the intersection of these two lines, we have to draw a vertical line. And this distance is 3 yard, 3 feet, 3 yard, 2 feet and 9 inches. Kindly ask your queries in the comment box of the video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.